In today's video, I will go over 12 of my last stuffed plush animal sales from the last month and a half. I purchased these stuffed animals at yard sales, thrift stores, and Goodwill. I paid anywhere from 25 cents upwards to $3 each for these. These are items that you too can find around your town in yard sales, or perhaps you have them in your own home. Check your children's toys. I do not do wholesale lots, so these are items that you can find too in your area. If this sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified of my next video. And while you're at it, go ahead and give this video a like, a thumbs up. It doesn't cost anything and it really helps my channel. I turned about $15 into $250 in just a month and a half, selling stuffed animals new and used on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. Now let's get started. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years. However, I do make great sales on Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. And now let's see some of the plush I've sold on those sites. I sold this Build-A-Bear Batman with the costume. He is a camouflaged teddy bear. I sold it on eBay for $19.92 plus $7 shipping. I paid 25 cents for him at Goodwill. So my profit on this stuffed teddy bear, $23.17. The next item sold on Facebook. It is a Wild Republic Cuddlekins orangutan monkey. It does have the tag on it from the Denver Zoo, but I do believe you can buy these Wild Republic stuffed plush animals anywhere. This would just happen to be from the zoo. It is new without tag. I paid 25 cents for this. It sold for $18 plus $5.75 shipping. So my profit on this monkey, $16.56. Now I have sold these Wild Republic plush animals before, so keep your eye out for those. We'll now move over to Poshmark. I sold this Smurf. It's a vanity Smurf holding the mirror. I paid $1 for this at the Goodwill outlet. It sold for $8. The Poshmark fees were about $4.45. So my profit on this plush wasn't all that great. It was $2.55, but I've had this Smurf for over 1 year, so I was happy to see it go. I did create a YouTube short on this flop of a sale, and I will link that here. The next one is a new with tag Minion from the Despicable Me movie series. This one sold right around Halloween. I paid 25 cents for him at Goodwill. He sold for $16. So my profit after the Poshmark fees, $11.05. When I can pick up these stuffed plush animals for about $1.25 at Goodwill and they are new with tags, I always pick them up. This next set of stuffed plush animals are from the Precious Moments collection. I had a set of 3. The Nativity Camel, the Palm Tree, and Mary. They were $3 each, new with tag, from Precious Moments. So back at that time, I thought it was a good deal. However, if I were to find them in the wild again, I probably would not pay $3 each for these, as they sat for quite some time. I paid $9 for the set of 3. They sold for $32 on Poshmark, so my profit after the Poshmark fees and my cost of $9, $16.60. And the last item I want to share with you on Poshmark is a pair of Build-A-Bear fuzzy slippers. Kind of a stuffed plush animal. They have stuffed plush monkeys on them from the Build-A-Bear workshop. I paid $1 for this at the thrift store. It sold for $14 on Poshmark, so my profit, $8.55. Next, I will share some of my Amazon sales with you that were stuffed plush animals. I sold another Wild Republic, this one the zebra. Paid $1 for this at a garage sale. He is new with tags. He sold for $24.10 plus $4.99 shipping. So my profit after the fees on Amazon of $5.35 and my actual ship charge was $17.76. How y'all doing? Do you like this type of content? I love selling plush stuffed animals across all platforms. If you love it too, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like this type of video. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. You can also follow me on Instagram at piece.of.scrap. I post a lot of my what sold items on Instagram, and I do communicate with fellow resellers over there. So go ahead and check it out. I will have a link to my Instagram account in the description below. The next one to sell on Amazon is a corduroy plush stuffed dinosaur. It's a smaller size, about 7 inches. I paid 50 cents for this at a thrift store. He sold for $32.11 plus $4.99 shipping. So my profit on this stuffed plush animal, $25.59. And the last one I want to share with you that sold on Amazon is a Tigger. It's like a Superman Tigger. I picked this one up at a garage sale for 50 cents. He sold for $17.89 plus $4.99 shipping. So after my actual ship charge and the fees on Amazon of $4.42, my profit on Tigger, $13.51. And I did have a couple stuffed plush animal sales on Mercari. I sold this Disney store Donald Duck. I've had him well over 1 year as well. I picked him up at a garage sale for 50 cents. He sold for $14 plus shipping. So my profit, $11.39. And the last one that sold on Mercari is a vintage Wrinkles hand puppet. He was listed just about 2 months. I remember these from my childhood, these Wrinkles with the puppet. This is a smaller version. I paid 25 cents for this at a garage sale. He sold for $23 plus shipping. So my profit, $19.48. This is a Gans puppy dog from 1981. I just shared with you 12 of the stuffed plush animals that I sold in the last month and a half. Now let's take a closer look at the numbers. So this is the spreadsheet where I house all of my sales. This is just the plush sales from October through mid-November. I had a 12 total. My cost of goods sold for the 12 plush animals is $14.50. My actual ship charge paid was a little over $19. The fees across all platforms, eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, mercari, and Amazon, was $46.40. So my total sold, that would be my gross sales, what sold plus the shipping charge received, was $246.74. So my net profit after it's all said and done is $166.21. So this is my gross sales minus my cost to purchase the items, my actual ship charge paid, and my fees associated with each platform. Now this is all pre-tax, so I will have to pay taxes on this number, but this gives you some idea of what my net profit is on these stuffed plush toys. With this handy dandy spreadsheet, I know exactly what my cost per item is, as well as my net profit per item. And then I can sum them all up here at the bottom to get this grand gross sales number of $246. If you don't know your numbers, that could be a problem. You could be wasting time selling items that are not profitable. As soon as I finished editing this video, I sold another stuffed animal. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those in my next plush sold video. I make money selling Goodwill items online, including plush stuffed animals, and you can too. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed to my channel, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I will link another What Sold Plush video here. Continue watching.